Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm overstepping my bounds. He didn't ask me for this help, but I thought I would. For some reason, this looks funny. It doesn't look even in the shape of the inside of the flag. And I'm going to send you this file also of which I think this bird is going to actually engrave better. So just remember keeping your nudge distance the same at all times. So let's put this in about where you want it, and then let's nudge it out of the way. Let's make a duplicate and nudge it pretty far out of the way in case we mess up. I'm going to go boundary, then I'm going to nudge the boundary out of the way. I'm going to go to Effects, Contour. I'm going to contour to the outside 1 inch, and you get that. I'm going to go to Object and break contour apart. I'm going to grab this again, go up to Object and break curve apart. That way I can get rid of this interior contour. Now I'm going to take this contour and see how it just kind of follows the shape of the bird a little bit more. Might be a little bit too big, but we had to do that to get away from the numbers or from the letters. So now I'm going to contour to the inside 0.25. And what I did, and you could actually go a little bit more. Let's back that up and let's go 0.35. That looks pretty good. Go up to Object, break contour apart, and nudge this. Don't move it, nudge it out of the way. Now, this is our smaller one. So we're going to put it like right there. We can get rid of this contour now. Now what we want to do is take this outer shell and make a, well, we don't even have to make a duplicate of it. Let's just nudge it down. Let's fill it with blue. Nudge it back over where it was and select everything. And it's not letting us do back minus front because the flag is a group. So let's ungroup it. Select it all. And let's go back minus front. We made a hole. Now all we have to do is nudge this over. I personally think it looks a little better. It's not as obtrusive. This doesn't conform, where this is kind of conforming with the bird a little bit more, making the stripes look pretty good. So you can I'm going to send you this file so you can use the one you like. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.